Hey everybody, it's Quinn here. Welcome back to the channel. So I have got a very exciting video for you today. As you can see, I've got a whole lot of Fanatec boxes. We went ahead and ordered the Fanatec CSL Elite Pedals with the load cell kit. Special thanks to all of the subscribers of the channel. This is sort of a big milestone for me because these actually were paid for 100% by the YouTube channel. So thanks to everybody who's watched, everybody who watches the karting videos and who comes by our Wednesday night live streams, 6 p.m. Check it out. Today we're going to be unboxing these. We're going to be installing the load cell kit. Fanatec will sell it to you, but they won't sell it to you assembled. So we're going to have to take our standard CSL Elite pedals and turn them into CSL Elite load cells. I'm not really sure which box is which, so I think we're just going to get into it. Like I said, open these boxes. We're going to install the load cell, and then we're going to give it a drive and kind of see how they feel. Anyway, so let's get into this. We have got these two boxes. Like I said, I'm not sure which is which. Okay, we have these two boxes. I'm not sure which is which. We've got this big one and we've got the little one. So I guess we'll start with the big one. Let's get to unboxing. I guess let's just cut into it. Well, I really want to get it in there, but I don't want to cut any. I don't want to cut any pedals. I'm stoked. We've got the. My team is doing a 24 hours of Nürburgring race at the end of the month, and I'm really hoping that these load cells increase my my consistency a little bit on the brakes because I'm spinning the car on the brakes a lot. I'm doing a terrible job opening this. I promise I'm better at this. I'm just I'm spazzing out because I got the camera on. Okay, so this was definitely the right box to open first. Let's check this out. Look at that. CSL Elite Pedals. Aha! Check that out. How do I guess I can turn it upside down. I feel like that's kind of a sketchy way to do it. All right, check them out. Beautiful CSL Elite pedals from Fanatec. A buddy of mine told me I was going to need zip ties, so I bought some zip ties too. Okay, so we've got this one out. Let's see what's in this one. I think this is the load cell kit. I mean, what else would it be? But this should be the load cell kit. Let's get in there and check it out. Got that all up. Ooh. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, we've got the load cell kit open. That's the load cell kit. We're gonna do the same thing and try to dislodge this. Great. Cheers. Okay, let's open stage 2. I guess let's go to the full pedal set first. So these, where we go, we're gonna attack from here. So got that. Let's rip it open. This feels good. This feels good. I'm coming from the G920 pedals, and they suck. They're really bad. You ready? Wow, check that out. We've got our quick start guide, a quick guide. We've got stickers on the back. This will go on the back of my sticker bomb helmet. Make sure to check out that if you haven't seen evidence of my sick helmet. We've got a telephone line so that we can hook up our landline phone. We have got this. Oh man, this is a shit show. This is a shit show. We've got this thing, which is, I guess, is like a computer panel or some shit. Woo! Woo! Ah! We got a whole pedal. All right, what is this? Is this going to be our brake? Yeah, this looks like the brake because it's got a spongy thing behind it. Oh man! Oh man! That feels a lot more substantial than my current solution. All right, and this, I guess, is our accelerator, our throttle. Let's see how that feels. Interesting. Short travel, but I like it. I like this for sure. I wonder if that's adjustable at short travel. Okay, so we've got these. We also get a wrench. What size is this? Size 13 and 15. I'm not sure if this is standard or metric. Don't judge me. All right. We get an Allen key. We get bolts. And that's it. Okay, unboxing this part 2. The lights that I'm using today are the IKEA lights that I usually have in my bedroom. That's why you can see me extra good today in this episode. In this episode of Quinn's Product Reviews. Quick Start Guide Part Dukes. Aha, I knew it. Control Electronics Part Dukes. Brake pedal part Dukes. Oh, whoa! I like it. I like that a lot. Oh, that feels really good. Okay, this is gonna be good, guys. This is gonna be sick. I guess this is more dampers, USB, more bolts. There's so much stuff. There's so much stuff. This is not user-friendly at all compared to the G920. What is all this? We got this thing. It's like 2, 3, it's for counting, I guess. Oh, there's another one. What the hell? What the hell is this thing? It's bizarre. Okay, guys, so I've got everything unboxed. Now we're gonna put it together. So it's probably gonna be mostly time-lapse. I'll let you know if there's anything that's super pertinent for you guys to know. But we're gonna go into the assembly part of this. I'll see you on the other side. I should be speaking to you next with a full set of load cell pedals. So let's give it a go. Okay, let's try to assemble these things now. Let's see if we can't get these assembled.
So the assembly process is actually pretty straightforward. Really all you're doing is bolting the pedals to the spot on the pedal mounting plate where you would like them to be, and then you're swapping out the control electronics from the original CSL Elite to the CSL Elite load cell electronics. I think the trickiest part is using the super tiny Allen key screwdriver thing that you need to pull that control electronics box off. It's a little bit tricky, but it's all pretty straightforward. It just takes a little while and lots of wrenching. Overall, the assembly took me about 30 minutes. Probably would have taken me more like 25 without the camera.
Okay, these should be ready to function. Overall install difficulty, 3, 4 out of 10. It's not hard, none of it's hard. It's just a little time consuming. Setting everything up, getting everything plugged in, and messy. I've made a mess of my living room, I tell you what. Let's put them on the rig. Okay, so just my first impressions. I just got it, as you can see, installed on my Playseat Challenge. You'll notice these zip ties. It doesn't really fit. The CSL Elite pedals, if you have a Playseat Challenge like I do, it doesn't really fit. So we had to secure it with zip ties. We have zip ties here. I also have zip ties here in all 4 corners, essentially, that are really kind of wrapping it around, but it seems to work pretty well with the zip ties. Regarding the actual travel of the pedals, the throttle feels really good. Definitely feels better than my Logitech throttle felt. The clutch also feels good. It's the same. The real kicker, though, the brake, feels a lot better. Really, really stiff. A lot closer to the way a brake pedal feels in a car. We have these little discs. You can adjust those. It comes with a bunch, and they have all different stiffness, so you can change the stiffness to kind of be how you like. Like I said, this isn't a full review. I'm gonna have an in-depth review coming next week. First impressions are good, definitely good. There are my first impressions of the Fanatec CSL Elite with the load cell kit. So far, I really like it. It's definitely something that's taking some getting used to, so I'm not super quick right away. I'm faster in like my maximum pace, I've already found. I'm still working on the consistency a little bit, which was sort of the whole point of these, but I just am relearning how to drive right now. So I'm gonna do a full review next week, and then the following week, maybe even the same week, we're gonna do a lap time comparison. So I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna set some laps with my old pedals from my G920, and then we're going to take the CSL Elite with the load cell out and see if we're actually, better on pace. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any value from this review, or if you enjoy any of my other content, please make sure to like and subscribe. Go check out some kart races or some of my other stuff. I've got lots of different things on the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.